as we take in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide, the respiration happens, and through that oxygen we inhale, it helps break down glucose into water and carbon dioxide. So this releases energy, and the circulatory, respiratory, and digestive system work together to help us get energy from food. They absorbed amino acids are then converted to proteins and help to repair old and worn out tissue. Suppose you have a cut and you after some day you see that it is healing. So that is your body working, that is body healing. And the how does it do that? They get the nutrients, the minerals, vitamins, everything from the food we take in. They digest that, they absorb the necessary nutrients, and our body do their work. So they are also needed for growth. The fatty acid and glycerol are converted into fats, which can be stored or can act as energy reserves. Then egestion, the undigested part of the food along with water moves down to the large intestine. It is shorter than the small intestine and wider, and 1.6 meter in length and 6 meter wide. It absorbs water and minerals from the watery mass of undigested food remains, and it then passes through the rectum and expelled out from our body. The ruminants now. So these were the stages of our digestion. Digestion in mouth, then digestion in stomach, and then in small intestine, and then assimilation happens, which is the final stage of digestive process, and then lastly the egestion. So now the ruminants. The ruminants are mainly found in the hoofed plant-eating animals that digest their food into two steps. Some examples are cows. You will see that some cows, not all the cows, they after some time, after a long period of time of having their food, they just chewing all the time. So that is the ruminant. What is the ruminant? The ruminants first eat the food and regurgitates a semi-digested food called cud. Then the ruminant then eats the cud when at rest. Suppose a cow eats a food in the morning, and the semi-digested food is stored somewhere, and it's called the cud. When that cow is at rest and not having any food, they just chew the half digested food. So this process of eating the cud is called ruminating, because they have a special stomach with 4 chambers. These chambers are rumen, reticulum, omasum, and abomasums. Rumen is the largest chamber of the stomach. It is used for storing the food. From rumen, the second chamber, okay, mute everyone who is having background. The food, are you saying anything? Okay. Javed, are you saying anything? Okay, so when the food is stored in rumen, after that they enter the second chamber called reticulum, and these are closely associated with rumen. Then the next chamber is omasum. Saying anything? I can't understand you.
Ma'am, I was back from the meeting.
You were back from the
meeting.
Okay. Okay. So the third chamber is omasum, and finally the fourth chamber is which is the true stomach, in which the enzymes act in food digestion process. So abomasum is the last chamber. In that is cow's digestion system. You have to remember both humans and cows, the ruminants digestion system. And tell me again, I can't understand you.
Ma'am, that is the count.
Both your voice is breaking. Tell me again, can you please?
That is the habit of the cow.
Yes,
Yeah, ma'am.
yes. Yes, that is cow's digestion. And
Ma'am, cow dung.
yes, cow dung is when they
Cow.
the excretory material. Okay, so now we'll do the exercise. You do
Fill in the blanks,
yes,
the
fill in the
subject
blanks
words.
and yes, blanks and tick the correct answer MCQ. You can do that by yourself, I think, and you can also,
Homework.
yes, homework A B C, your homework.
A, B,
Tell me again.
C.
C. Okay, homework.
No, another one is saying something. Tell me.
Ma'am, A, C, and A.
A, B, C, and F. Right.
A, B, C.
Yes. And F. I think you all can do that. It's pretty easy, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And
B.
I will ultimately upload the whole question answer and everything into study material once we finish.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I done the A, B, C, and A.
Very good. Very good for you. But everyone has not done it yet. So we'll have to wait for them. Okay. You just send me. You have completed the syllabus. Very good.
Ma'am, I am A, B, and F.
Okay. Then do the C and upload the image or the PDF when I upload the assignment. Under that, upload your homework. And you do that in your homework copy. Okay, not in book. Though they are just there are,
Question number A, B, C, and F2.
yes, and you will do that in your copy and you will upload it. And
Upload that.
Ma'am, first you will send in the assignment section too.
yes, I will send the image or PDF as in assignment section. Then you will upload under that. Okay.